Alright, we got a 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport 138 code, rotisserie restored, 1968 396 engine, not original motor obviously, tilt wheel, power disc brakes, power steering. Highly detailed. Bottom of the car looks like the top of the car. Got 18 and 20 inch custom wheels. Paint's fantastic, all the bright work, chrome trim, etc. Vinyl top, no issues. Nice corner windows. Lower corners of this, just absolutely a beautiful car. Nice detailed trunk, spare, no jack but spare. The tilt wheel, full gauges, has a factory clock. The clock is not working.